What if the fastest relief for pain, burns, stress, infections, digestion problems, and wounds was not hidden inside a pill bottle or locked behind a pharmacy counter, but growing quietly in gardens, fields, sidewalks, and pots around the world, ignored by millions of people who walk past these powerful healing plants every single day without realizing the life-changing medicine they contain? For thousands of years before modern hospitals existed, these medicinal plants were trusted to stop bleeding, calm the mind, reduce inflammation, and restore balance to the human body, often working within minutes rather than days. Today, you are about to rediscover 10 of these powerful plants that can support the body almost instantly when used correctly. And by the end of this video, you may never look at nature the same way again. Modern medicine has saved countless lives, but what many people do not realize is that a large number of today's drugs were originally inspired by plant compounds that humans discovered long before laboratories, prescriptions, and chemical names existed. This video is not about rejecting doctors or replacing medical treatment, but about understanding how certain medicinal plants can offer fast, natural support for everyday issues like pain, inflammation, stress, digestion problems, minor infections, and wounds, especially in moments when immediate relief matters most. These plants work with the body rather than against it, gently supporting healing processes that are already built into human biology, which is why people often feel relief surprisingly quickly after using them. Think of this knowledge as a natural first aid guide that connects ancient wisdom with modern understanding, giving you practical tools that are simple, accessible, and deeply effective. Aloe vera is one of the most trusted medicinal plants in the world because the clear gel inside its thick leaves can immediately cool burns, soothe irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and protect wounds from infection, often providing noticeable relief within minutes of application. When applied directly to the skin, aloe penetrates deep into tissue layers where it helps calm nerve endings, stimulate cell repair, and create an environment where healing happens faster and with less discomfort. Peppermint works quickly because it relaxes muscles, improves circulation, and triggers cooling receptors in the body, which helps reduce headaches, stomach cramps, nausea, and sinus pressure almost as soon as it is inhaled, applied, or consumed as a tea. This fast response is why peppermint has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive discomfort and tension-related pain. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory plant that supports rapid relief by blocking inflammation at its source, which makes it especially helpful for joint pain, muscle soreness, swelling, and internal irritation caused by stress or overuse. When combined with warm liquids, turmeric allows its active compounds to absorb more efficiently, helping the body respond faster and more effectively. Ginger is one of nature's fastest remedies for nausea, stomach pain, and cold-related discomfort because it stimulates digestion, improves circulation, and calms the nervous system simultaneously. Many people feel relief within minutes of chewing fresh ginger or drinking ginger tea, making it a trusted solution during sudden digestive or respiratory discomfort. Garlic becomes medicinal the moment it is crushed, releasing powerful compounds that begin fighting bacteria, viruses, and fungi almost immediately. Which is why raw garlic has long been used to support the immune system during infections. Its ability to act quickly makes it especially valuable for sore throats, colds, and early signs of illness. Lavender works rapidly by communicating directly with the nervous system through scent, helping reduce stress hormones, relax tense muscles, and calm the mind within minutes of inhalation. This immediate calming effect explains why lavender is widely used for anxiety, headaches, emotional tension, and sleep support. Neem is a strong medicinal plant known for its ability to fight harmful microbes on contact, which allows it to quickly reduce skin irritation, infection, itching, and inflammation when applied as a paste or rinse. Its fast-acting nature makes neem especially valuable for skin-related problems and immune support. Chamomile offers quick relief by relaxing both the digestive muscles and the nervous system, helping ease stomach cramps, anxiety, and restlessness in a gentle but noticeable way. The warmth and natural compounds in chamomile tea help the body shift into a calmer state, often within a short period of time. Tulsi is an adaptogenic plant that helps the body respond to stress more effectively, supporting breathing, immune strength, and mental clarity in a relatively short amount of time. Its ability to balance stress hormones makes Tulsi especially helpful during periods of emotional or physical strain. Plantain leaf is often called nature's living bandage, because when the fresh leaves are crushed and placed directly on a wound, they can help stop bleeding, reduce pain, and protect against infection almost immediately. This powerful yet overlooked plant has been used for centuries as an emergency remedy for cuts, stings, and bites. Healing does not always begin in hospitals or pharmacies, because sometimes the most powerful support for the human body comes from understanding the natural tools that have existed alongside us for thousands of years. These medicinal plants are not about instant miracles, but about respecting the body's ability to heal when given the right support at the right time. If this video helped you see nature differently, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, so this knowledge can reach others who may need it. And remember, when we reconnect with nature, we often reconnect with our own strength.